Hey guys, it's Sammy. Welcome to my channel. Today we are making Deconstructed Chicken Pot Pie. This is one of my all-time favorite recipes because it is so easy to make. You literally only have to dirty up 2 different pans and it's just so delicious. And then you also get to save the stock for some vegetable soup that we'll be making later on in the week. So all you need is 1 carton of vegetable or chicken stock and just put that into a nice deep dish, and you're gonna bring that to a boil and then cut your chicken breast into some bite-sized pieces and add that to the stock along with any fresh vegetables. The fresh vegetables I'm using are carrots, celery, and yellow onion, and then we're just gonna season everything with salt and pepper, garlic, and then I had some fresh rosemary frozen in the fridge along with some fresh parsley, so I added that to the stock. And then I also added some smoked paprika. That's completely optional. If you don't like paprika, you can leave that out. And then I just brought it to a boil and I let it cook until the chicken was completely done and I could pierce the vegetables easily with a fork. It takes about 20 minutes to do that. And then I turned it down to a simmer and started adding in my thickening agents, which I chose to use flour and cornstarch. You can use just flour or just cornstarch or arrowroot flour. There's a lot of different thickening agents that you can use, but I kind of like the flavor of flour over cornstarch, but I think cornstarch does a better job of actually thickening stuff, so I kind of opted to use both. And then I just turned my oven on 375, and once everything was done, I just added it into a separate baking dish, and that way I could choose how much stock concentrate I actually wanted to add in. And then I just added all my canned vegetables, my green beans, my peas, and my corn, and I just gave it a really good stir. And then I put some Pillsbury biscuits on top. You can opt to cook these separate, but I really like to just not waste any more pans and just put it on top. The bottoms of the biscuits are going to be a little gooey because they are sitting on something that has a lot of moisture on them. So if you don't like that, then definitely choose to bake them separate. And then here I'm just showing you how I save my stock concentrate. I just freeze it, and then I'm going to bring it out this week and I'm going to make some vegetable soup. So stay tuned for that recipe because my kids love that one as well. This recipe is so easy to make and it's so delicious, and especially being 29 weeks pregnant, I need as many vegetables in my life as I can get for this baby. So these recipes like vegetable soup and chicken pot pie, great options because they're delicious and full of veggies.